Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joseph Luther. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bloody Mary. So I'm going to make Bloody Mary in the bell pepper. So I have three colors of bell pepper. So what I did, I cut the top and clean all the seeds and stuff from the inside. I clean it. It's nicely, easily you can do it with a small spoon. And also I'm going to one Bloody Mary, just a regular in the glass, so you can see how they look like. I'm going to put the ice. This is the glass I'm going to make it. So some ice in the glass. So this is the my shaker. So I'm going to put some ice in the shaker. This is going to the all the three peppers. Today I'm using white absolute vodka. So normally it's 1.5 ounces for the glass. So today I'm going to put 1.5 ounce of vodka for this glass. So these peppers less than glass size, so I'm not going to put all 1.5 ounces into the bell pepper. So I'm going to use like 3 ounces for all three bell peppers, like 1 ounce each pepper. So here. So today I'm using Clamato juice. It's a tomato juice. So I'm going to fill up with this glass. And also I'm filling up this shaker with Clamato Worcestershire sauce. So I have to put like a few drops in Worcestershire sauce, and this one for the bell peppers. I'm using some Cajun spice. You can use any kind of hot sauce. Normally you can use like Tabasco sauce or any hot sauce like what you like. Today I'm using like a quarter teaspoons of spice for each glass. Dash of black pepper, and here too, and dash of salt. Lemon juice. Is for 3. I'm going to mix it up nicely, mix everything together. So this one going to the bell pepper, so I'm going to shake it nicely. I'm going to put some salt in the rim. So this is lemon juice. Then I'm going to go with, it's called sea salt. See, like this. It's nicely the salt. See, you can see nicely. I'm going to put some ice into the bell pepper. Next, I'm going to fill up with Bloody Mary. I'm going to decorate with celery stick for each one. So this is one, the other one over here. This one, put it like this. So the regular one in the glass. So when you drink, so mix it up a little bit with the stick. Mmm. So this is it. So Bloody Mary is ready. So this is the paper, even the yellow, and this one in the glass like this. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like, please leave your comment below. Thanks a lot, and cheers.